x into y equivalent to 72. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take such that first one, it is odd into odd. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of odd into odd? Second case, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of odd into even? In how many ways can you write a number as a product of even into even, even into even, odd into odd, odd into even into even? Any live chat comment other than non-academics, simply I will block. I do not even want that student to watch my class. Very simple and straightforward. X into y equivalent to 72. Odd into odd, odd into even, even into even. Listen carefully. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. Method 1. 72. What are the cases? We will see. 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, 8 into 9. Reverse will be 72 into 1, 36 into 2, 24 into 3, 18 into 4, and so on 9 into 8. These are the total 12 cases we got. Odd into odd. First case, when you multiply odd into odd, I will get an odd number. But the right hand side, 72 is an even number. First one answer is 0. First one answer is 0. I hope it is clear. Odd into odd, I will get an odd number. Answer should be an even number. Why? Because 72 is an even number. Odd into odd will give you an odd number. Even number into even number. Any even number. Praveen, it is 2k1. Another even number, it is 2k2. It is nothing but 72. So this is nothing but k1 into k2. It is nothing but 72 by 4 is 18. 18 is 3 square into 2 power 1. 3 square into 2 power 1. How many factors are there for this number? Because it is a variable or present. Number of factors will become 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. I hope it is clear. Right? So this is nothing but odd into even. Odd into odd will always give you odd number. 72 is an even number. First case answer is 0. Second case, it is even into even. Any even number is of the form 2k1. 2k1 into 2k2, it is 72. k1 into k2 is 18. 18 is nothing but 3 square into 2 power 1. How many factors exist for this number? 3 into 2 is 6. Odd into even. What are the cases we got odd into even? In this example, if I take, then I will tell you. 1 into 72, 72 into 1. 3 into 24, 24 into 3. 8 into 9 and 9 into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cases I got. If you observe, 1 is nothing but 3 power 0. This is 3 power 1. This is 3 power 2. This is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. This is nothing but the 2 times the total number of odd factors. If you see why 2 times came, 3 power 0 can be taken by x. 3 power 0 can be taken by y. 3 power 1 can be taken by x. 3 power 1 can be taken by y. 3 power 2 can be taken by x. 3 power 2 can be taken by 3 power y. It is total number of odd factors. Example number 3. Before that one, example 1 and 2, there is no restriction on x and y. X and y are natural numbers. But here I kept a restriction, that is odd into odd, odd into even, and even into even. I will do 3 to 4 problems so that it will be clear to you. Right, the student who said it is not clear, if I take one more example, it should be clear to you. X into y is 72. I think it is one more example. Fourth example, x into y is 100. X into y is 100. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? X into y is 100. xy are natural numbers. How many values xy will take? Second example, similar model. Odd into odd. These are nothing but odd into even. Third case, it is even into even. Even into even. Listen carefully the solutions for all these three. Odd into odd, I will get odd. Answer is 100 even. First one answer is 0. First one answer is 0. Third one, even into even. Any even number is of the form 2k1. Another even number is of the form 2k2 is 100. So k1 into k2 is 25. 25 is 5 square. Number of factors for 5 square is 3. Third one answer is 3. Third one answer is 3. 2k1 into 2k2 is 100. k1 into k2 is 25. 5 square. Total 3. Odd into even. Odd into even is nothing but twice the total number of factors. 2 times the total number of factors. Twice the total number of odd factors. Twice the total number of odd factors. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Total number of odd factors are 3. 2 3s are 6. I hope it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, kindly reply in the live chat if the answer is yes. Odd into odd is odd. Odd into even. Even number is 2k1, 2k2. Odd into even, it is total number of odd factors. In case if you want why it is total number of odd factors, I can write cases here. 1 into 100, 100 into 1. Next case, 5 into 20, 20 into 5. Next case, 25 into 4 and 4 into 25. 4 into 25. Odd into odd, case is over. Odd into even, case is over. Even into even, case is over. Odd into even is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. Odd into even is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. I hope this concept is clear. I took the right hand side as an odd number. I took the right hand side as an odd number. Let us take I took it as an even number. Odd number we will do. Everybody clear? Everybody clear, right? Next one. Next one clear. Praveen. Fifth question. X into y equivalent to. X into y equivalent to. X into y equivalent to 75. What if the right hand side is an odd number? Next question. Please write down. X into y equivalent to 75. X into y equivalent to 75. X and y are natural numbers. Cases we will write. First case, odd into odd. Second case, odd into even. Odd into even. Third case, even into even. Right hand side we took as an even number. Now I am taking odd number. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Any two even numbers multiplied. Any two even numbers multiplied. Answer will be an even number. Rambabu. Answer will be an even number. So the third one, answer is 0. Rambabu. Next one, any number multiplied by an even number. Answer will be an even number. Answer will be an even number. Again it is 0. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. Right? Odd into odd will always give you odd factors. 75 is 3 into 5 square. Total number of odd factors are 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. I hope the idea is clear. 3 into 2. Answer is 6. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Even into even. I hope it is clear. Sai Kiran. Right? Do you think I will leave that doubt? Students might ask. Right? Prashant, you can do the converse also. You can do the converse also. I hope it is clear. Next half an hour, listen carefully to another model. Next half an hour, clearly listen to the next model. Extremely important model. I hope this idea is clear. Next one, please write down. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Extremely important concept. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. X square minus y square equivalent to k. And after the class is over, the class will be made private. Please wait till 8 o'clock. I am going to launch a new program, that is all the YouTube live class videos of Anil Nair. I plan to take minimum 180 hours of YouTube live classes. Only I will be taking all the classes, and trust me, that course is going to rule the world of aptitude in the next few months. If a student want to know number system, everything from the fundamentals to the highest level, number system, all the topics it will be there. Arithmetic it will be there. Algebra it will be there. Geometry it will be there. Modern maths it will be there. All concepts in detail YouTube live classes I am going to launch today. Please wait till 8 o'clock. Listen to another important concept. X square plus minus y square equivalent to k. X, y are natural numbers. X, y are natural numbers. Now listen carefully. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions only if k is an odd number, k is an odd number, or k is a multiple of 4, or k is a multiple of 4. Please write down this. First write down this. Praveen, k is a multiple of 4. Please write down this important concept. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is a odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Side heading, write down proof. Very important concept, sir. Proof. Please write down. Please write down. X square minus y square equivalent to k. Right? Equivalent to k. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. This is nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to k. X plus y into, right, x minus y equivalent to k. Now see, if x is an odd number, if x is an odd number, y is an odd number. If x is an odd number, y is an even number. If x is an even number, y is an even number. If x is an odd number, y is an odd number. Y is an odd number. Now listen carefully. Because x and y are natural numbers, these 4 cases will arise. X square minus y square equivalent to k. Now see, this is the case. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. It is an, we have not taken one case, x is even, y is odd. X is even, y is odd. Let me write it. I lost it. Yes, it is there. This is not odd. This is even. This is even number. Even number. Listen carefully, sir. First and third case, if I take, what is an odd plus odd number? It is an even number. What is odd minus odd? Even number. If I multiply two even numbers, what will be the right hand side? Divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. Even. Odd even. Odd minus odd. Even. First case. Third case also take it. Even plus even. Even. Even minus even. Even. First and third case. First and third case, these divisible by 4. Second and fourth case, odd number on square, it is an odd number. Odd number on square, it is an odd number. Even number on square, it is an even number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Even number on square, even number. Odd number on square, odd number. Even minus odd is odd. I hope the proof is clear. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Praveen, has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4. Again I am explaining. Odd plus odd, even. Odd minus odd, even. Two numbers are even. Even number is 2k1, another even number is 2k2. 2k1 into 2k2, it is divisible by 4. If x is even, y is even. Even plus even, even. Even minus even, even. Even into even, it is divisible by 4. Now problems. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Please write down this. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions. Has integral solutions only if only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4 and k is a multiple of 4 and k is a multiple of 4. Right? Two cases. Example 1. Example 1. X square minus y square equivalent to 206. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? X square minus y square equivalent to 206. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? This is not divisible by 4. So answer for this question is no value. Answer for this question is no value. Directly by looking at a question, you can say that this equation has integral solution only if the right hand side is an odd number or right hand side is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. I hope it is clear. First one. One more example. Second one. X square minus y square. Praveen, malli badatledu chudu. Equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. How many values x comma y can take? X comma y can take. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values x comma y will take? Divisibility rule of 4 is last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. 34 is not divisible by 4. Again the answer is no value for x comma y. Right hand side should be either an odd number or it should be divisible by 4. Either an odd number or it should be divisible by 4. First one answer is 0. Second one answer is 0. Now we will take what if the right hand side. What if the right hand side is an odd number? What if it is a multiple of 4? What if the right hand side is an odd number and it is a multiple of 4? And it is a multiple of 4. Third question. Listen carefully, sir. Third question. Third one. Listen carefully. Directly you will get the answer. X square minus y square is nothing but 65 whole square. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? X square minus y square is 65 whole square. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? These are nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to 5 square into 13 square. Listen carefully. If I call this as A, this as B, A into B is nothing but 5 square into 13 square. 5 square into 13 square. This is nothing but x square minus y square. This is possible when it is x is odd or y is even or x is even, y is odd. Right hand side is odd number under this case. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? 3 into 3 is 9 cases. In that 9 cases, 4 cases will have A greater than B. 1 case will have A equivalent to B. 4 cases will have A less than B. Am I right? Total 9 cases I will get. In that 9 cases, if x plus y, if x plus y if x plus y is giving you, I think I erased it unknowingly, sir. So if x square, I'll use my thumb, please cooperate. X square minus y square equivalent to 65 square. 65 is 5 square into 13 square, which is x plus y into x minus y. X minus y. These are nothing but 9 cases I got. 9 cases is nothing but 4 here, 1 case. 1 case is A is equivalent to B. 4 cases A is greater than B. 4 cases A is less than B. This is A into B. This is A into B. A into B is 9 cases. If A is equivalent to B, if x plus y is equivalent to x minus y, that is y value 0. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. If it is a natural number, this cannot be the case. This cannot be the case. This cannot be the case. Why? Because sum of two natural number can never be less than their difference. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. Once you understand, it is very easy. X square minus y square is 65 whole square, which is 5 square into 13 square, which is 9. Total 9 cases I got here. In that 9 cases, 4 cases A is greater than B, x plus y greater than x minus y. 4 cases A is less than B. 1 case A is equivalent to B. X plus y cannot be equivalent to x minus y. Why? Because y will be 0. Y will be 0. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4.